Danielle here from SignalWire in seconds. Today, we're proud to present RoomieServe, a room service management solution that showcases the reliability and efficiency of SignalWire's AI agents. RoomieServe utilizes metadata tables within the AI agents to manage data efficiently, mitigating SQL latency. These tables they store information utilized by the application, including menu details, SKU listings, and pricing information. Within the app, there is a shopping cart functionality engineered to serve as a data repository while the AI agent facilitates customer interactions. By minimizing direct database engagements, RoomieServe effectively improves latency, ensuring prompt responses and a better user experience. Please check out RoomieServe's blog and GitHub repo for a deep dive into the code implementation. And if you want, you can make use of SignalWire's Wire Starter to get up and running with the app. This starter kit allows users to try the application within a Docker environment. Now, without further ado, Len will take over with a demo of RoomieServe.
Hello and welcome to SignalWire.com. My name is Len, and today we're going to check out our digital employee powered by SignalWire, RoomieServe. RoomieServe is something that you would use for like a hotel to take orders for room service, or possibly like a hospital for hospital rooms to get room service there also. So how this works is we're interacting with OpenAI, and in this example, it's a server example, which means you're using both SignalWire servers and also your own servers. So all of your functionality, your SignalWire markup language SWML will sit on your own server. When someone calls in through SignalWire, through your SignalWire phone number, that will then point to your server, take all the instructions, and work with OpenAI. So let's take a look at what we have on our screen here. This is showing our digital employee repo for RoomieServe. This is a working example. And so if you look here, we have order, status, phone number, and if there is any notes. These are random generated phone numbers for privacy reasons. And this is the repo. We'll scroll up. View everything there. And we'll go to this tab. This is the SWML that will be generated by the Perl example that works with Postgres for the database and also a web server to display the order. So let's just take a look. We have our sections main, and we're going to answer the call. Then we're going to record the call in stereo in a WAV format. Next, we're going to set our menu so that we're going to tell our digital employee what everything is that's on the menu for breakfast, what's for breakfast. So everything that's on the menu pretty much. And we're going to go down to our AI section on how to pronounce certain things with AI. Sometimes you have to break it down into bite-sized pieces, I guess you could say. So we're going to replace with ribeye, and so we're going to replace ribeye with ribeye, and we're going to ignore if it's uppercase or lowercase. So we go to our post prompt URL. This is our username and password, so we're protected, so no one can just see what our SWML example is here. And we're going to post this to the web servers so we can take a look at what went on with our conversation if we need to dissect or do something else with it later on. We have our text here, our prompt. So this is giving instructions on like the personality, the instruction. So we're going to welcome. This is like our opening that the AI digital employee is going to say. And we have different steps that we're going to take. So we're going to give like instructions on like a process on how we're going to interact with our user. So it's almost like you would go to a restaurant and you have a person taking your order. The person taking your order is going to go through different steps to go through to see, what you want to eat, what you want to drink. Maybe they'll upsell you, want to add um, some breadsticks with that or something. So we're going to go further down and we're going to look at our top P and temperature. This is how creative our digital employee will be. Zero point 0.06 is what all of our examples are set at for consistency. The higher to 1 that you get, the more creative that the digital employee will be. We'll go down to languages. Our digital employee can speak multiple languages. In this example, we're going to go with English. Our engine is going to be OpenAI with the voice of Nova. And we have fillers here. These fillers are whenever our functions will execute. We'll talk about functions here in just a bit. So once the function executes, we're going to say either 1 moment or 1 moment, please. So it's almost like when you're talking to someone over the phone and they're interacting with a database. And so say, okay, that'll just take a moment. And, the database does its thing and returns a result. And then you continue on. We have our global data. So we're going to take our menu that we talked about before, and we have these SKUs of sorts that gives like a organizational kind of method to organize, our dinner, our lunch, our breakfast. And this is going to give kind of hints to our digital employee so they know, what to look for dinner, what the like for this is a ribeye steak, and what the price is, so we can calculate later how much our order total will be. And this is a description so we can describe from the digital employee to the user of what a ribeye steak is cooked. And so this is going to go down through all of our beverages. And so we're going to scroll down past all of these. And now we're going to go to our SignalWire AI gateway or swag. So we're going to include the URL to that flag. This is going to be our user. So this is going to interact with our database. And we're going to give, as I was mentioned before, functions when I mentioned about the fillers. So we have different functions here for add items, delete items, order total, and then once everything is said and done, we place our order. And this is password to that database. And so we're going to scroll down a little bit more. This is our webhook URL. This is what is set in the SignalWire dashboard for the phone number that we're going to contact an external server for our swag. All right, so that's how everything works in a roundabout way. So let's go back here, and we're going to give our digital employee a call. So let's give a call.
Morning. Welcome to RoomieServe, the automated food ordering service. How can I assist you today? What entree and drink would you like to order?
Yes, I would like to order some French toast.
1 moment, please. Would you like to add any more items to your order?
Yes, I would like to add a drink. What drinks are there?
We have the following drink options. Coffee for $4, tea for $3, green tea for $3, black tea for $3, Coke for $2, Pepsi for $2, Dr. Pepper for $2. Which drink would you like to add to your order?
Can I add a Pepsi?
1 moment. Thank you for adding the Pepsi. Your order now includes French toast and a Pepsi, totaling $17. Would you like to add any more items to your order?
No, thank you.
One moment, please. Thank you for using RoomieServe. Your order has been successfully placed. Your estimated delivery time is 15 to 20 minutes. If you have any special notes or delivery instructions, please let me know.
No, it's okay. All right. Our order is done, and thank you for choosing SignalWire.com. And let's go back over here. We're going to show the web interface real quick before we go. And here is the order, pending. And there's our French toast, the Pepsi, the order, total for the price, the quantity, and these are the SKUs. And once the order is processed, this will change to delivered, like we have over here. All right, so thank you for stopping by, and we thank you for choosing SignalWire.com. Have a great day.
RoomieServe shows how the SignalWire AI agents can improve efficiency and reliability in previously manual and resource-intensive operations. Start building for free today by signing up for a SignalWire space and exploring our developers' documentation. And for more SignalWire in seconds, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.